Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about the best cryptocurrencies to buy, specifically the meme coins. As the meme coin market has been on absolute fire past couple of days, we're gonna go ahead and do a deep dive and take a look at what's hot, what's not, and what I'm loading up on. Before we do though, guys, I gotta ask a couple favors. I want to first ask if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And secondly, I want to ask if you haven't already, check out the partner for our channel, which is Best Wallet. Best Wallet is an anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available in Google Play and Apple App Store. Guys, every download supports the channel tremendously. It's free download, requires no KYC and no personal information. And again, it's free. It has a clean UI. We use it here ourselves on the 99 Bitcoins channel and the 99 Bitcoins team. And personally, been recommended by top sources in the finance and crypto space. Multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial. Definitely check this one out. Download link in the description box below. Now, back to the meat and potatoes. Today, we're taking a look at the top 7 meme coins to buy now, as the meme coin market is starting to show a whole lot of sign of potential, and everyone seems to be wanting a piece of the pie. So again, we're going to go ahead and take a look at what's hot, what's not, and what you should really be considering. Okay, so you can see right now there's a bunch on the bubbles, there's a bunch of things that are standing out. Bonk is standing out as a top gainer on the day. Penguin is standing out. Loki standing out. There's so much standing out. So I want to make a list that I think is the most upside potential. And again, these are not like on my list personally. It's not like the only memes you should buy. There's definitely other memes out there that you could definitely buy, but it's just my picks, my opinions. Again, obviously not financial advice, but let me know what you guys think. Okay, and again, feel free to drop your, I want my chat box open here, so feel free to drop your picks as well, and then we can go ahead and look at your picks. And let's jump right in, starting things off with the number one on my list, which is Pepecoin. Now on the year, it's down over 66%, but it's been top leading this week. Okay, on the 24-hour alone, we're up over 14%, which again, not too shabby. On the week, we're up over 69%. Okay, that's pretty solid, as the market is starting to pump once more, right? Money is starting to flow in, and it's showing signs of a whole lot of potential as the investors are starting to get back into the crypto side of thing, which is something I personally love to see. It's starting to show a lot of support and showing that people care about memes once more. That's why it had to be on the number one on my list. I'm seeing the chat bot over here. Yeah, Pengu, Pepe, Bonk, Shib, 4 absolute solid picks. Not only solid, but very safe as well, right? We're talking about Pengu. Pengu has some crazy upside. One of the greatest IPs in crypto right now. Amazing. Pepe, like we're just kind of talking about, the king of meme coins. Okay, like really the king. Like Bonk and Shiba aside, or no, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin aside, right? King of meme coins, right? Then we got Bonk, which is doing fantastic, really leading the way, and Shib, an OG meme. Solid 4 pick. Again, anyone else watching, feel free to drop your picks in the description box below, and I'll let you know what I think. Okay. So back to Pepe, we're seeing top with a gainer on MYX, Pepe, and CC Surge as Bitcoin passes $90,000. That's something to consider as well. The crypto markets as a whole, how have the markets been performing? Because this seems to be a key indicator of how the meme coin markets typically follow suit. So we see crypto market up over 1.2% on the day. Fear and Greece officially back to neutral 40, something we haven't seen in quite some time now. Excuse me, guys. And our site is currently sitting at 63, all in fantastic zones. Okay, as Bitcoin, as Bitcoin pushes towards 92,000, the market is getting tense. Geopolitical uncertainty around Venezuela is adding volatility, and traders are watching closely to see how traditional markets react. Right now, Bitcoin is trying to hold its early 2026 highs, but global headlines are clearly influencing sentiment that the link between TradeFi reactions and Bitcoin's next move is becoming harder to ignore. This is a key move. If Bitcoin stays strong despite the noise, it reinforces its role as a hedge. If not, short-term pressure could return. Either way, vigilance is key here. Now, again, this is actually a great point, because what's going on around the world, there's actually more than just what's going on in Venezuela. There's also the whole crisis in Iran that typically would have been a massive stress response. Okay, and the fact that the market's kind of stabilized even with this stress response like this goes show some very positive signs. So again, I'm already seeing this as a bullish indicator. However, time will tell where we'll get a full picture. But again, so far so good, if I don't say so myself, right? In terms of the market, Bitcoin holding above 91, Ethereum holding above 31, XRP holding above $2. Looks like BNB about to reclaim 900. Everything's starting to look very good. When we see trending side of things, we see XRP trending Trump coin trending, Pepe trending, Bonk trending, Shiba Inu trending. The memes are starting to trend again, which is the whole topic of today's videos. Okay, so we're looking at Pepe, and there's this article. I have a whole dedicated Pepe video coming out shortly after this video. But essentially, why Pepe's been pumping, or not why Pepe, yeah, a big sentiment reason. Pepecoin surged over 50% in early 2026 to $2.9 billion market cap. Pepecoin skyrocketed more than 50% since the start of 2026, pushes market cap above 2.9 billion and landing in the top 50 currencies. Trader Jeremy BTC shared his regret over missing the 2023 launch. That's something that you really keep in consideration. 2023 was not technically, but it was the bear market, and it launched and still crushed, right? Where he passed on tokens that exploded from $500,000 market cap to 1.8 billion in the bear market after Binance listed it. So Pepe has always been a pretty serious meme, right? And now you take that same pressure in the bull market, it should go on to do some pretty solid things. Okay. A high profile trader, James Nguyen, went all in with his leveraged longs worth $5 million, eyeing $69 billion market cap, declaring Pepe as woken amid Bitcoin's rise past 91,000. A spiking volume over 1.3 billion, yet with its history of volatility, traders are eyeing that support. Watch for its next move. So again, let's say Pepe seems to be a very, very safe play. Now again, enough about Pepe. I have a whole video coming out Pepe later. Yeah, it's again no particular order, but yeah, it's definitely on the buy list. I would be buying Pepe right now. But again, obviously not financial advice. That's just where I see Pepe going from here. I see someone commenting Pepe could 20x. Absolutely, could probably potentially even 40x from here. The next meme coin on my list is a crypto pre-sale project, which pre-sale is about to conclude in 3 days and 17 hours, and that is Pepe Node. Pepe Node is a mine to earn meme coin. Pepe Node lets you build your own virtual meme coin mining rig, but buy nodes, build your server room, and combine nodes for huge bonuses. This is a crypto pre-sale project that's been taken over as they're bringing mine to earn to the masses. They're offering 532% staking reward. Pepe Node brings gamified meme coin mining to the masses. No physical computing power required. Pepe Node allows you to build a customized meme coin mining rig in your own virtual server room. More nodes equals more meme coins. And again, their pre-sales ending in 3 days and 17 hours. This is your last chance to buy. You buy directly from the website with card or crypto, and I'm leaving the website link in the description box below. How to mine. So essentially start off in this empty server room. You can buy your first node. You can buy more nodes. You can combine the nodes for better bonuses. Different combinations will give you more yield. And then you can also sell your nodes as well, which gives a nice play to earn gamified version of meme coin mining. Definitely check this one out. I'll be linking this in the description box below. It's been getting a lot of attention on socials lately as a meme coin that's bringing some interesting utility that kind of just shakes up the entire crypto market. Now, the next one on my list is none other than Bonk, as Bonk has been the top gainer of the day, up over 34%. On the week, up over 54%. On the month, up over 34%. Not only is it up, it's trending all over X. We've seen just 21 hours ago, Bonk is trending in the trending tab, okay? So again, over 181,000 posts, okay? So again, people are bonking. People see what's going on. It's become a whole ecosystem, right? It's not just a meme. It's a whole utility play. Similar to Shiba Inu. It really reminds me of early days SHIB. Okay, Bonk is up over 46% this week. Meme coins are rallying, and it's a really good time to be watching. And again, I made a dedicated video for Bonk coming out later today. We actually went into this article in depth as well. But essentially gained 31% in past 24 hours, and the technical indicators are showing significant momentum. And looks like it's going to continue going up from here. Therefore, I'm watching Bonk very closely. I've always been bullish for Bonk. If you've been subscribed to the channel, you know I've been very bullish for Bonk, showing Bonk and covering Bonk in detail. I think it's one of those meme coins that just stands out simply because the meme is good, the art is good, but more importantly, the utility is there, is what makes it stand out. Bonk, more than ordinary. They got Bonk Rewards, Bonk Mart, Bonk Live. They have over almost 1 million followers or holders, over 400 integrations across 13 different chains. So again, it's not just about being a quick flash in the pan meme coin that offers no real world utility. No, this one actually genuinely offers something genuine to the market that just makes it stand out. Okay. Another very honorable mention for a meme coin I'll be watching very closely is Toshi. If you're subscribed to the channel, you know how bullish I've been for Toshi for very long now. And now we're starting to see signs of recovery, up over 19% on the day, on the week up over 20%, on the month still down the red, which makes it for a pretty good time to buy. On the year still in the green, so again, those who got it early before like the Coinbase listing, fantastic. But if we get a Binance listing, which is very possible, this could cause one to absolutely send and go full parabolic bullish mode. So again, I'd be watching this one very, very closely as one of the top cat the meme coins, as well as the top meme coin on base. Okay, so again, you do not want to fade Toshi, as again, the community's there, the technicals are there. This one's absolutely sending. Fighters keep funding. Toshi remains king. Number one cat meme coin. All's right in the world. Again, I would be very, very locked in on this one. One of my favorite meme coins right now. Okay, next meme coin on my list is another crypto project that's currently in pre-sale right now, and that is Maxi Doge. Maxi Doge is a crypto pre-sale project that's really for the degens of crypto. They have raised over $4.4 million in their pre-sale, and in 1 day and 6 hours, they're actually set to increase their price. You can buy direct from the website with Card or Crypto. So recommended by top sources in crypto space. So it has that validation. Maxi Doge trades on 1000x leverage, no stop loss field and Maxi Pump. Is essentially like this degen Dogecoin that's going full to the max. And again, obviously Elon Musk loves Doge, so Doge the meme coin could be pretty smart. Can you go full Maxi Doge, max rip, max gains, wake up, sweat, trade, repeat? And they're also offering staking rewards at 70% AP. So again, pretty solid if you're interested in buying and staking. Utility offering is staking, max reward pools with daily smart contract distribution. Also gonna have the Maxi contest, which is going to be community activations and rewards for top ROI hunters, and partner event, future platforms, integrations, and gamified tournaments. So nice little way to be interacting with like the whole community. So this seems to be a more community-driven meme coin, which is pretty good. They have over 5,000 followers on X. They're kind of growing their presence. So again, this could be a pretty solid one to grab. If you're interested in buying crypto pre-sales, check this one out. Link in the description box below. Again, you can buy directly from the website. And for all the products I'm covering, all the pre-sales specifically, they're already linked in the description box below. So definitely check this one out. Okay, now let's go back into the next meme coin on my list, which is none other than Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has been one of those memes. And the crazy part was, I was scrolling on my TikTok the other day. I used to make a lot of crypto TikToks back in the day. And it's crazy where I was making TikTok videos for SHIB before we got listed on Binance. I think the market cap was like, I can't remember exactly, but I would say somewhere between like 250 to like 600 max, right? And I saw it absolutely skyrocket right before my eyes. And ever since then, it's always been in like front interest, right? We're even looking on the crypto markets. And again, this has been the case for the past 4 years. It's been dominating the number 2 spot. I don't think Pepe ever flipped it. It's been holding the spot for a reason. They have a lot of investor influence, a lot of investor confidence. They built a solid product and a solid ecosystem. Because again, Shiba Inu is not just a meme coin; it's an entire ecosystem, right? They got the shib.io, they got the shib Toshi. They're basically everywhere. They got the shib ecosystem, the Shibarium, the DApp store, tokens, news platform. It's everything. The DAO, the identity, the DeFi, the play with shib, NFTs, metaverse, community. Like you name it, they got it, right? This is what crypto's all about: decentralization and pushing the limits forward. What started off as literally just a meme coin for memes has turned to a full-fledged community play, which is why SHIB has been such a bullish play for so long now, and it'd be foolish to really fade this one, right? You can see they've made their New Year post, and they haven't been active in the new year, but again, they've absolutely been crushing it. So therefore, SHIB has to make any top list. Like you can't have a top cryptos to buy now list without including Shiba Inu in the mix. Now we look at the price action, up over 13% on the day. On the week, up over 25%, and the month up over 10%. Not too shabby. Definitely holding its own legs up in the rally right now, which is great to see. And it's great to be supporting Shiba Inu, as it's been very innovative and it's been a true standout project. Now, on the Shiba Inu, the next one on my list is an L2 project similar to Shiba Inu's roots, L2 on ETH, but this one's an L2 for Bitcoin. And this one is a crypto ICO project currently on pre-sale right now called Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, offering scalability and speed to Bitcoin. In 1 day, 21 hours, they're set to increase their price as they raised over $30.1 million in their pre-sale. Bitcoin Hyper, official pre-sale website, buy Hyper before powers the fastest layer in Bitcoin history. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin, payments, meme coins, and dApps. They're raising money pretty fast, and they're building on Bitcoin to bring Bitcoin that same L2 tech to make Bitcoin faster, cheaper, more effective, more efficient, and more useful. Okay, they're gonna have the wallet, the explorer, bridge, staking, memes, and more. They're also offering 39% staking rewards for those who are interested in buying and staking. And they're growing a pretty fast community on X with over 17,000 followers. Okay, we can see they started off the year pretty strong. January 1st, raising over $30 million milestone. And 4 days later, they've raised an additional $100,000, on average $25,000 a day. Now, again, it might not be the most impressive feat, but at one point, this project was raising over $100,000 a day right before we saw the crypto markets kind of going sideways. If you're interested in buying into this one, you can buy direct from the website with Carter Crypto. This one could be the next big play, as L2 technology has always been very popular, and bring that tech to Bitcoin could be absolutely insane. So again, check this one out. Link in the description box below. Now, the last and final meme coin for my list is none other than Pudgy Penguins, Pengu, as it's one of my favorite meme coins, right? Pengu up over 16% on the day, on the week up over 36%, on the month up over 18%, on the year still in the red, down 69%, but in a very decent spot. Looks like technical analysis is looking good. It's starting to finally build some support. Penguin is testing RS flip zone, a short-term pullback if possible, followed a potential continuation to the upside. So watch for confirmation as we can finally start seeing Pengu break out. Now, the reason I've been so bullish for Pengu is it's one of those projects where it's not just about the meme, right? It's similar to Shiba Inu in a way where like it's utility forward, but this, instead of being utility, think IP, think Disney, think entertainment. And that's the market that Pengu's just absolutely been crushing. We see last year, there was a crypto mascot as at the NASDAQ, which is absolutely insane. Okay. They have insane partnerships. They're partnering with Kung Fu Panda. Looks like they had an ad at the Sphere in Las Vegas. So we're seeing a whole lot of attention for this one. That's why I talk about like a large IP play. They've taken over Asia many times before. They've done world tours. They're partnered with the NHL. Again, they've just absolutely been crushing it. And there's no reason you want to fade this one. Again, getting in the Sphere, absolutely insane for a crypto meme coin, right? And not just the meme side thing, the NFT side thing as well. They've been absolutely just crushing it. That's why it's been one of my top favorite crypto memes. We see it's trending on CoinGecko as well on January 1st. It is a fantastic project, fantastic IP, and I think this one is definitely here to stay. So I would definitely add this to your list. Now, guys, that's the top crypto meme coins I'm buying now. Again, obviously, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is my top picks. Let me know again what your top picks are in the comment section below. And what would you do differently? Which ones do you like? Which ones do you swap out? I'm interested in hearing. In terms of crypto market, guys, meme coin market is doing fantastic, up nearly 9% a day, volume over 42%. It's a fantastic time to be exposed to crypto. If you guys are looking for a signal group, guys, there's an article we'll take a look at quickly on Coinonomist, where to find the best crypto course in 2026. Now, as 2026 New Year's, everyone has a New Year's resolution. They want to learn a new skill. And a great way to learn a skill is by joining groups, right? And there have been 5 really popular groups, as the article points out. We're going to go ahead and take a look at some of these. All right, increasing demand for crypto trading resources has been recorded as interest in digital asset explodes globally, largely influenced by relaxation of regulations in the U.S. and several other countries. The number of such entities has been increasing well, owing to a surge of global demand, and people want to learn more. Now, in the top list, best places to find the best crypto courses, we see Jacob's Crypto Clan. Okay, you're probably familiar with Jacob because we see Jacob all the time, especially known crypto content creator. And we work with him a whole lot on this channel as well. Bitcoin, or not Bitcoin, Jacob's Crypto Clan, while primarily a crypto signal server, also provides educational courses, tools to help participate, stay ahead of the curve, led by a renowned crypto analyst, Jacob Crypto Burry. This trading platform offers a comprehensive mix of free and premium educational resources, including direct mentorship, live trading sessions, ebooks, tutorials, and project reviews, each designed to guide traders towards long-term success. These high quality contents are made up across multiple social media communities, including Discord, WAP, and YouTube. So definitely check this one out. I'll be leaving the link for the WAP in the description box below for those interested in starting their crypto journey and want to take it a little bit more serious with some mentorship by their side. Now, guys, that pretty much wraps up the stream for today. Let me know what you think. If you're bullish, bearish, where your thoughts are. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the comments real quick. I just want to spend like $100 on memes. Once I see how it goes, which one would you recommend? Again, I'm not gonna like directly tell you what to invest in, but again, there are some pretty cool ones I shared. All I'll say is this, okay? If you want something safe where you don't want too much volatility, you got to make sure you get your $100 back after a year from now. The safest meme coin to pick would obviously be Dogecoin, right? No brainer, not a lot of volatility there. Bonk, Pepe could be good. You might get better returns, but there's face volatility. Again, I don't know your risk tolerance, so I can't tell you what to invest in. But yeah, then there's Pengu as well that can have some crazy upside future potential. Toshi. I mean, I covered a lot of memes, right? You gotta go do your own research and see what's your best pick. Okay, Pepe. Do you think Pepe will keep going? I think Pepe's gonna keep going. I think at least reach back to its previous all-time highs, if not higher. But again, obviously not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Now, guys, that wraps up the stream. If you enjoy watching videos like this, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. We try to go live 2 to 3 times every single week on this channel. So again, hit that subscribe button to see more streams like this. And I'll see you guys all next one. Until next time.